What's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and in this video, I'm going to be going in depth on how you can sell products on Facebook and Instagram shops using HighLevel. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is go to business.facebook.com in order to create a business portfolio. Then once you've created a business portfolio or in an already active business portfolio, you're going to be navigated to this screen, which is your business suite. And then from here, we're going to click all tools, and then we can create our store by going to commerce, which we'll find by either scrolling down or simply by searching up commerce and then clicking this. Now this will navigate us to the Facebook Meta Commerce Manager, which is where we can create commerce accounts and create our stores. From here, what we're going to do is click add account, or if we already have a commerce account, we can go into our account here. Essentially, we're going to have to go through some steps in order to give our business details, select our Facebook pages, and go through this 6-step form in order to create our shop. During this process, we'll do a couple of things. First, we'll probably create a Facebook page. If we already have a Facebook page, we need to navigate to that Facebook page via the regular Facebook website, and then go to your Facebook page under About, and then make sure you have selected e-commerce website as one of the categories. So if you already have a Facebook page, make sure you do this. And if you don't have one, then simply add this category when you're creating it while you're creating your shop. Now, once you have created your Facebook page or tiled your Facebook page as an e-commerce shop and then finished the rest of that form, you'll be navigated to the Commerce Manager. And this is where we can add our catalog, add our shops, add our products, configure all of our shops across Facebook and Instagram, and so much more. Now, when we're here, all we need to do is essentially either click connect here under connect additional Facebook pages or Instagram accounts to your shop, or confirm that our Facebook and Instagram pages that we want to be using our shop on are already connected here. As you can see here, we've got one Facebook page here and then one Instagram page here, both visible and connected to our shop. So we'll be good to go. Now, back in HighLevel, now that we've confirmed that our shop is created and it's connected to our Facebook and Instagram pages, we need to make sure that those pages are connected to our HighLevel account by going to integrations and then going to the right-hand side where we can see Facebook and Instagram. Now, we've already got these connected here. If they're not connected, simply click connect, but you'll be able to click manage pages. And this is where you want to select the Facebook page that is connected to your Instagram and the shop. So for example, as we can see here, this is our Facebook page. We can confirm it's connected to our Instagram, and the checkbox is right here. So we know this is the one that we just set up our shop on. So we can click update and continue. Now, once we've done that, we can go to settings right here, then go over to shops, and then this will fetch our shop page from our Facebook Commerce Manager. If we're having any trouble on this page, we can click how to set up shops and it'll link off to a help article, but we'll be able to connect our shop to this Facebook page as long as we have a shop with an active domain on it. This is a crucial step. As you can see here, this blank website that we have within the account is connected to our shop. If you go back over to sites and then stores, this is our e-commerce store in HighLevel, which has a live domain connected to it. Remember, you have to have a live domain connected to your e-commerce shop in order for this to work properly. So we have a domain connected, simply can do this by clicking the drop down and selecting domain in your account. And as long as that is set up correctly, then we'll be able to select our e-commerce store. That's that website store here in HighLevel right here, and then click save. And then once we do that, our store will now be synced with HighLevel, meaning all of our products on that store will be synced with our shop on Facebook and Instagram. So this is super exciting because we can now sync automatically all of our products from one e-commerce store in a sub account to Facebook and Instagram shops, where we can purchase products in the actual UI of Facebook and Instagram rather than users having to leave the platform. So it's a great way to get more sales on Facebook and Instagram without having to redirect users while they're on social media. I hope this has given a little bit more insight into the process of creating a Facebook and Instagram shop and connecting it to HighLevel, because it's a super exciting feature that will boost your e-commerce sales. As always, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you very much for watching.